Hi, I'm Roxy from the Morton Public Library, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about philosophy of mending or repair. Every library kind of has a philosophy, whether or not they've ever sat down and talked about it. It makes the difference whether you want to really work hard at mending and repairing everything, or whether you are wanting to be fast and get it done quickly. I learned to get it done quickly, get it back out for a few more circs, and then maybe discard it if it breaks again. I have a friend who mends for a library in Iowa, and their philosophy is totally different. So she's had classes, she uses all of the supplies, all the different ways of putting a book back together, and they try very hard to mend each and every book. So it's just two different philosophies. Neither one's right or wrong. It's just which one is yours. One of the things that I see Mends is a collection development, because when we get them in a library, it's your job to say, is this even worth mending? Do we have another one of these? And is it worth it? So here is one of the things that I do is I will just on a scratch piece of paper write it's our only copy, or it's our second copy, or whatever, and then I will say lots of other libraries have it. If somebody wants this book, there's lots of other libraries, and that we've had 9 circs on this book since '07. So is it worth mending? It helps me make that decision. Here is one of the books that is very broken, and in fact a patron very kindly tried to mend it with just looping tape around. It didn't work very well, but we do have a second copy. Ours is not in great shape, but it is together. I would look at it as this is just a big mess, so there's really no point in trying to mend this one. This one has several things going on, one of which is little pieces, which is the bane of libraries when you have these lovely little interactive things, and this is even falling apart. So that one would not be worth it for our library to mend. One of the things that is worth it are some of these older library bound books. They were well done, they're stitched, and so we would try to mend and keep these going as long as they are circulating, because it is going to be a sturdy book. So Sarah, my book mending friend, said that they did a cost analysis of the mending at her library, and they figure it costs $4 per book to mend, and that does not include supplies. So this needs to be factored in. Is it worth mending, especially if it's going to be $4 a book, and it might be maybe $5 a book to repurchase a paperback. So, thanks for listening.